Before we start, do you guys know what is Google Drive? As you can see, Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization source developed by Google that launched on April 24th, 2012. Google Drive allows users to store files across devices and share files. After you guys know what Google Drive is, now I'm gonna show you a quick Google Drive startup tutorial. To open Google Drive website, you can type drive.google.com. After that, you can choose an account to use the Google Drive. After you sign in into your Google account, you will see the Google Drive user interface. Let's start from the top, shall we? At the very top, there is a search bar to search any PDFs, documents, spreadsheets, presentation, photos, and videos in your Google Drive. On the very left side, there is a new button that lets you make a new folder, upload some files, or even a folder. You also can make a new Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Form, and many more. The next menu on the left side is My Drive. This is where all of your files and folders that you created and uploaded get saved. The next menu is Shared with Me. This is where you will find files and folders that is shared with you. Under the Shared with Me menu, there is Recent menu. On this menu, you can see all of your files that you opened recently. The next one is Start menu. This is where you will find all of your start files. This allows you to view your important files quickly. And the last one is Trash menu. This place contains all of your files that you removed from the Google Drive. You can also restore or delete them forever if you want to. Below the Trash menu, there is storage information. It shows you how many storage you used. And you can buy more storage if you want to. On the right side, there is Viewing option. You can see your files with List View and Grid View. With List View, you can see more details, such as owner, last modified, and the size of a file. Beside the View option, there is a View Details button. When you click the button, there is two options. The first one is Details. This menu will show you every detail of a file or even a folder. The second menu is Activity. This menu will show you every action that you have done on your drive. When you click on a file or folder, a view icon pops up. There are link sharing, share, review your file, remove it, and three dotted icons provides more actions such as open with another app, move the item, add to start, rename, view details, manage versions, make a copy, report, and download the item. At the very right side, there is a side panel. The panel provides some utility, such as calendars, keep, that means note, and task. You can also get some add-ons to the Google Drive. At the very top, there's a question mark icon that provides you support, such as help, training, updates, terms and policy, and send feedback. The gear icon gives you the setting menu. The 9-dotted icon is Google applications that you can use. The last one is the account menu. On this menu, you can change your profile picture, you can switch to another account, add another account, and sign out of all accounts. I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.